There you go. Now back up. Ooh. Hey YouTubes, it's me again. So today on Casey Crawls, we're going to do a little bit of work to the trailer. But I need the buggy on the trailer before we do the work. So we're going to take some big risks today. We're going to let Nathan drive the buggy out of the shop. So here he is. Say hi, Nate.
Hi.
Hi.
Good.
You think you can drive the buggy out of the shop?
I think I can.
You think you can?
Yeah,
Okay, crawl in. Let's go see. We're gonna see how he does.
Yeah, how's in there now?
The heck no, I'm not getting in there with you.
You're not?
No. Did you hit your head?
Yeah.
Okay, well put the steering, we need the steering wheel. Put the steering wheel on.
I know.
Alright. So you gotta, hold on. See the red key over there?
Yeah.
You gotta turn that on. Alright, is it in park?
Yeah.
It's in park. Okay.
Hold the brake.
Definitely hold the brake. Okay, flip that up. Hold on. Let it prime. Okay, hit it. Alright, it started. Alright, look, bud. You're just gonna go straight back, okay? Hey, listen to Dad, okay? I'm gonna tell you which way to go. You got your foot on the brake?
Yeah.
Alright, put the gear selector in R. R for race. Alright, hold the brake.
I am.
Alright. Is it in? It's in low. Okay, you're good. Cool. Alright, straight back. Brake. Brake. Hit the brake when I say brake. Turn the wheel to the left just a little bit. A little bit more. Stop. Hey, stop. Look, I'll tell you when to go. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay? When the word stop comes out my mouth, your foot hits the brake. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, go. Okay, straighten up your steering wheel. There you go. Come on back. Good job, bud. Come on, you're about to clear the shop. Okay, stop. Turn your wheel to the right. All the way right. There you go. Now back up. Heck yeah, the Asian sensation. Come on back. Whoa, hang on. Well, okay, stop. You can run over the plants. Yeah. Let off the, okay, go back just a hair. Okay, stop. Turn your wheel to the left. And put it in drive. Well, that'd have been bad if I'd have forgot to tell him. Third, yeah, third. Whoa! Okay, don't hit the post, okay? Need you to go that way. Come on. Come on, no, come on. Come on. Slow. Oof. Okay, come on. Okay, stop. Straighten your wheel up. Hold on, stop. There you go. Okay, go back. Turn your wheel to the right. All the way to the right. There you go. Back up kind of slow. That's not real slow. Come on, keep going. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little bit more, bud. Don't hit my four-wheeler. Okay, that's good. Put it in third. Straighten up. No, that's good. Let's put it, okay, go ahead and stop. Yeah, definitely put it in park. All right, what do you think?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
Good.
You did good?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did do good. Good job. How old are you, Nick?
14.
14. You like driving a buggy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, let's load her up. Put it on the trailer.